reflection of its thought and embodiment of its will. A very warm good morning to one and all present here, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. Shreya, are you aware about the relevance of 26th November?
Yes, it is the day when the Constitution of India was adopted in 1949. It is the backbone of our democracy, ensuring fundamental rights and principles for every citizen. The Indian Constitution stands as a testament to the visionary ideals and collective wisdom of its framers.
हम भारत के लोग भारत को एक संपूर्ण प्रभुत्व संपन्न समाजवादी धर्मनिरपेक्ष लोकतंत्रात्मक गणराज्य बनाने के लिए तथा उसके समस्त नागरिकों को सामाजिक, आर्थिक और राजनैतिक न्याय, विचार, अभिव्यक्ति, विश्वास, धर्म और उपासना की स्वतंत्रता, प्रतिष्ठा और अवसर की समता प्राप्त कराने के लिए तथा उन सब में व्यक्ति की गरिमा और राष्ट्र की एकता और अखंडता सुनिश्चित करने वाली बंधुता बढ़ाने के लिए दृढ़ संकल्प होकर अपनी इस संविधान सभा में आज तारीख 26 नवंबर 1949 को एतद द्वारा इस संविधान को अंगीकृत, अधिनियमित और आत्मार्पित करते हैं।
The people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind.
So far, our understanding of the Indian Constitution is just from a mere bird's point of view. Shreya, aren't you curious to know more about our Constitution?
Yes, of course. And I think it is only right that we should know more about this important document of our nation. I call upon Pavitra and Manshi to speak more about our Indian Constitution.
मान की गरिमा का सम्मान है, आपसी बंधु में देश महान है, मानसिक आजादी हो हर व्यक्ति में, मेरा भारत का ऐसा संविधान है। सुप्रभात, मैं पवित्रा करी 8वीं स की छात्रा आज आपके सामने संविधान दिवस के ऊपर एक भाषण प्रस्तुत करने आई हूँ। हम हर साल 26 नवंबर को राष्ट्रीय संविधान दिवस बनाते हैं। इस दिन महत्व यह है कि इस दिन 1949 में भारत की संविधान सभा में संविधान को अपनाया था। हालांकि भारत का संविधान 26 जनवरी 1950 में लागू हुआ था। हम हर साल 26 जनवरी को गणतंत्र दिवस के रूप में भी मनाते हैं।
Independence, and on 26th of January 1950 we celebrate Republic Day because on that day the Constitution of India came into effect. It was the Congress party who demanded the Constituent Assembly. The British government accepted the demand in 1940. A Constituent Assembly was formed to write the draft of the Constitution of India. The first president of Constituent Assembly was Dr. Sachindranath Sinha, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was selected as the chairman. On 26th of November 1950, the Constitution of India was the law that was abided by all Indians. The Constitution of India declared India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic.
Here, we're celebrating National Constitution Day in conjunction with Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. We are paying a tribute to those unsung heroes of India's independence movement with a narrative on each one of them every day in the morning assembly.
To add on to it, let us listen to a melodious tribal song by the choir group of our Vidyalaya. PGD Economics, to provide us more knowledge about our fundamental duties and rights.
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, every year on 26th of November we celebrate National Law Day, Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas. So today the responsibility given to me is to make all of you aware of fundamental rights and duties enshrined in our Constitution. But after watching yesterday's quiz competition, I don't think that there is a need to do that. As you all know, fundamental right is mentioned in Part 3 of Indian Constitution from Article 12 to 35. Initially there were 7 fundamental rights, but now there is only 6 fundamental rights. First one is right to equality. That means all of us are equal before law. There is no discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, sex or creed. And the second one is right to freedom. We have the right to express ourselves. We have the right to travel anywhere in India, reside anywhere in India and do any job that we want. And the third one is educational and cultural rights. Then we have right to religion. Then we have right to constitutional remedies also. But I always notice that during such celebrations or while talking about fundamental rights or duties, the part that always remains unnoticed is the importance of fundamental rights and what is the practical application of it. During such celebrations, we just by heart all the articles, the schedules, the numbers to score numbers in this competitions or exams. But if someone asks you, if you face such kind of situation, if you face fundamental rights violation in your real life, what you will do? What would be your answer? So that is the part that always remains unnoticed. Today I am going to talk about that. What is the importance of fundamental rights and what is the practical application of fundamental rights?
Birsa Munda has been declared as Dronacharya Divas under the aegis of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to commemorate the special contribution of tribals towards India's freedom and evolving future. Thank you.
Please listen the question carefully. Jack was elected as the President of the Constituent Assembly. Who was elected as the President of the Constituent Assembly?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Yes, that's the right answer, Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Second, duties as well. That is the case in the school too, or anywhere. You have all the rights, you have all the freedom as envisaged in the Constitution or as per the rules and regulations of the institution wherein you are. If it is a school, in the school.